Hi. In this video, we'll walk you through how to configure the Automation Hub in Lexzur to streamline your workflows and tailor automation rules to fit your business needs. Begin by navigating to System Settings. Under System Preferences, select Automation Hub. Click the Add New Trigger button at the top right to start creating a new automation rule. Define your rule. In the Rule Details section, enter a name for your rule. Optionally, provide a description to explain its purpose. Set the trigger event. Click the green Add Event tab to define what will trigger your rule. Triggers can include actions such as adding a corporate matter, litigation case, task, contract, or setting a judgment. For this example, we'll choose Create a Corporate Matter. Add conditions and actions. Now it's time to build your automation logic. Click the plus icon to add your first condition or action. Use the if-else logic to create flexible, rule-based automation. Creating conditions. Click Add If to begin a conditional block. You can define conditions based on various attributes, including practice area, priority, client name, value, dates, or any custom field related to the matter. For example, let's specify practice area equals commercial, priority equals critical. You can also define if all or any conditions should be met to trigger the actions. If a condition isn't met, and you'd like to skip the automation, check the Exit If False option. Adding else conditions. To cover alternate scenarios, click Add Else. This works like an else-if block where you can set different conditions. For instance, if the priority is high instead of critical, you can define a different set of actions here. You can add multiple if and else blocks, each with their own conditions and actions. Configure actions. Inside each condition block, click Add Then to create your automation actions. You can choose from Add Task, Add Reminder, Set Fields, Set Privacy, Set Assignee. Let's break down the most common actions. Add Task. When adding a task, set the due date, calculated from the trigger event, example, matter creation. Choose the task type. Assign the task to a user, like assignee, creator, or another team member. Enter a task title. Add Reminder. Similarly, to add a reminder within the same block, click Add Then, select Reminder, and follow similar steps to configure it based on your workflow. Set fields automatically. This action lets you prefill certain fields, such as matter date, client name, priority, and any custom fields. This ensures consistency and saves time during data entry. Set privacy and assignees. You can restrict access to specific users or assign users and teams automatically based on the defined conditions, helping streamline matter assignment and task distribution. Save and manage your rule. Once you've completed the rule setup, click Save. Your rule will now automatically apply whenever the trigger event occurs, whether that's creating a task, sending a reminder, or setting field values. You can always edit, disable, or delete your rules from the Automation Hub settings page. For example, when a commercial corporate matter with critical priority is created, a task and reminder will be auto-generated, and some fields like reference number and assignee will be pre-filled.